Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the final culmination of the TED 131. And these are the people here eating almost everything on the table. We have there Sai Sai, so let us interview Sai Sai first. So Sai, what are you eating?
I'm eating salad.
Why is there a question mark after salad?
Salad.
So let us see the plate.
No more.
No more salad.
Yeah, no more. And it's terrific.
Okay. The salad now is terrific. Now let's go to another person. Let's skip Ate first. Let's go to Anne.
Hi.
Hi Anne. So I like the color of your shirt. Is that pink?
No,
Since I am colorblind, I cannot see if it's green or pink. But all I see is pink.
oh my God.
Okay. So now let's go to Joyce, the sexiest. Cover your cleavage. It's being shown here. Okay. So what are you eating?
It's ubos na.
Okay. She's eating ubos na. And now let's go to our youngest daughter. Oh, son pala. Let's go to our youngest son. So, hi sexy. So, you're bringing sexy back. I'll make you over if you misbehave.
I like the way you dress.
I know you're getting in love with me. Stop now, stop. So, Joanne, I'll be there.
Hi.
What are you eating?
I don't know what to say.
She's eating. She don't know what is this. And she's wearing a blue skirt, matching her blue sleeve shoulder and her bra. Okay, now let's go to another person.
Hi.
Okay.
Will you eat?
And
Drink.
the cell phone does not eat and drink. So the owner of the cell phone eats and drink. Now let's go to another beautiful cloth. The nice cloth. You belong. You belong. Okay. Oh, smile ha, because I'm going to upload this sa YouTube. Promise, I'm not making gara-gara. I'm going to upload this in the YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to upload this in the YouTube. Together with my scandal videos. Oh, yeah. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The people. Si Ate, we have not Ate, interview Ate. Hi Ate.
No comment.
No comment. Why Ate? Wala. Okay, sure.
We are the passionate girls, you know.
Paris Hilton, Nicole Richie, Avril Lavigne.
Wow!
Yes, ma'am. This is Lindsay Lohan. Lindsay Lohan. Nicole Kidman. Miss Nicole Kidman, and this girl is may Hollywood celebrity look-alike ha. Basta Hollywood celebrity. I'm going to upload this in the YouTube, just grab na lang. That is our beautiful celebrant, our professor. She's also wearing a light yellow colored dress. I mean a light colored pink yellow dress. And we have here the children among the senior citizens. And the one who has the biggest necklace is the most beautiful among the group. They're not agreeing. Okay, let's go to the children's party.
I am Jack.
They are all grown-up children. Nobody. This is the most beautiful.
Yes.
And that is the most beautiful. These are all the grown-up children. And the one carrying the tray is the senior citizen among the children. And that one wearing the green is the look-alike of Justin Timberlake,
Oy, that.
who's bringing sexy back.
Silverware.
And the person holding the cell phone right now is the most sexiest among everyone. And signing off, thank you.